Yeah, it's nasty out here today. I had planned to do 31 kilometers for December 31st. But, ooh, it is ugly out here today. And as usual, I'm underprepared. I do not have the right shoes on. And, yeah, let's see what we get done. So sit rep, I forgot to wash my shorts last night. They smell like ash, so I had to stop real quick and do that. So sit rep, good friend of mine, Tony from Fusion Gyms, said this one thing, and it always kind of resonated with me. It's they got it from somebody. It's piss poor planning prevents peak performance. And I'm gonna tell you about my morning real quick. I woke up on time. I had a little hold up with one of my deliveries in the morning, and I thought I packed my bag for a run, but it turns out I ended up running on Thursday and forgetting that I left my damn shorts in the gym bag. So I ended up, my shorts smelled like death. So I had to run to the laundromat, get them, get them, get that squared away. And then use what I'm running with. I was supposed to do 18 miles today, 31K. I don't know if it's going to happen. That's all I got. Some M&Ms, half a bottle of Gatorade, and a Bang energy drink. It looks like this outside. It's 47 degrees. Let's get it. All right, so sit rep. I got my Tesla Barefoot shoes on, Barefoot Tesla version shoes on. Not very waterproof. Running in the rain barefoot. That's what's going on today. See him? He is properly dressed. Nice coat, nice sneakers, nice pants. Not shorts. Not shorts. All right, so sit rep. About halfway up Green Lane. There's a steep hill about a mile up. I'm working, and with painful hills, they always talk about finding your why, right? It's the why. Why do you do this? Why the hell am I doing this? Well, it's some. Okay, it's hard. The reason why I'm doing this is I think that there's like this demon. Like when I was like 36, 37, there's like this evil demon woke up in me. Could be like the devil, something crazy. And it realized that it was in this weak piece of crap body. It's a very weak, minuscule body. And it's trying to be set free. And has to break whatever this is, to achieve whatever it wants to achieve. And I'm gonna let it. All right, so sit rep. So I made a mistake. I forgot to start the run at the right time. So right now it says I only got 10K done, which is about 6 miles. And the truth is I actually got more, like 13, 14K, closer to 8, 9 miles. And have some fun with this thing. Up and down, sweet up and down. Here we go. All right, there we go. All right, so sit rep. It's been about 3 hours, about 20K in. The rain started to pick up, and I'm down to my last 8 M&Ms. I'm down to my last 8 M&Ms and my last half a thing of Gatorade. Gatorade mix. Sorry, I got stuff in my ear. So what I do, I mix the Gatorade with the electrolytes and the Bang. The Bang always gets me good, so half and half is a good potion to keep going. Anyway, let me see if I can power through this last, I think I got another 10K and I should be done. All right, guys, here we go. All right, guys, so I'm just about done. Started what I started at the, there's a Residence Inn down here in Bala Cynwyd, I think it is. So real quick, what ended up happening during the day is my swim trunks, my running shorts were nasty, so I had to end up going to a local laundromat to wash them up. I slept with my watch last night, so my watch battery died around 20K, I believe. So I think I'm close to, the goal was 31K. Somewhere around, I want to say 29, 30K, but my legs. Now, I talk about the legs. One thing that I've done, I always do on longer runs, is wear 2 pairs of socks. Just protects the feet from puddles and stuff like this that's going on. And then, with my nutrition, I already know that nuts, carry. So like I said, nuts carry the oil that is good for joints. And the Gatorade, of course, is great for the electrolytes and all the taurine and stuff and all that crazy stuff that's in those Bang energy drinks. That was my mix. So I'm definitely comes to my water, but I made it. So here we are back at the Residence Inn. Now I'm going to go probably get a big meal, and I got to do about 4 or 5 hours of lifting. That'll make my quota of about $100 to $180 for the day, and we're done. And that's it. Thanks, guys.